how to add long video on Facebook story. So basically guys, you cannot add more than 15 seconds of story on Facebook, but we have a method to upload more than 15 seconds of story in Facebook. So let's get started. In order to do that, first you'll have to open an Instagram app and make sure your Instagram and Facebook account is linked with each other. Now once you're inside the Instagram, tap on your profile or plus icon available there in the top left corner. After you tap on it, you'll be navigated to the story uploads. Now browse through and look for the video you want to upload. Now all you have to do is tap on the your story option available there and share it to your Instagram story. So now once you share it to the Instagram story, swipe up from the bottom and you can see share to your Facebook option available there and tap on the share. After you tap on the share option available there, now go back to the Facebook and look for the story if the story is available or not. After you go back to the Facebook, you can see the story has been successfully uploaded.
So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.